149. 149. Okay, 149. And you have, you have here, you have the flat. This is the flat. So you have the picture of the flat and information here, information here. So I ask some questions. Try to give me the answers. Again, the answers out loud, if you can. Okay? So my first question, so for this information here, where is the flat? Where is the flat? Yeah, so the flat is in Hill Street, or on Hill Street, it's okay. So the flat is in Hill Street. Okay, what floor is it on? What floor is it on? This flat. Yeah, it's on the third floor. Okay, how many bedrooms are there? Yeah, there are 3 bedrooms. So how many bedrooms are there? There are 3 bedrooms. Very good, Ilya. So how much is it to rent? How much is it to rent? Yeah, it's £300. £300 per week. Or if only a week. Okay. How many rooms are there? Okay, not bedrooms, but rooms are there. Or what are the rooms? So Ilya, there are 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a living room, and a kitchen. Okay, what is near the flat? Are there any shops or transport? What is near the flat? Yeah, so there are, Ilya, there are some shops, some local shops, just 5 minutes away, and a park across or over the road. It's on major bus routes. Does the flat, does it have a good view? So yes, there are lovely views over the town. Okay, well, very good. Well, let's turn. So turn now to page. Yes, page 152. 152. 152. We can repeat the exercise. Let's do the exercise again. Encore une fois. So read the information. Read the information. Stop the video if you want to stop the video. Read the information. Okay. So again, I give the questions. You give the answers out loud. Okay? So, same questions. The same questions. Where is the flat? Yeah, it's on Craven Road in the town centre. On Craven Road in the town centre. Okay, what floor is it on? What floor is the flat? Boop, preposition of that. On. It's on the first floor, above a newsagent's. A newsagent's. On the first floor, above the newsagent's. How many bedrooms are there? Yetil. How many bedrooms are there? So there are 2 bedrooms. How much is it? How much is it? Yeah, it's a big number. It's £375. £375 per week or a week. Next question. How many rooms are there? How many rooms are there in total? What are the rooms? Yep, there are 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a big living room, a dining room to eat, and a beautiful kitchen with a washing machine for washing my clothes, and a dishwasher for plates, for knives, etc. Okay, what is near the flat? Are there any shops or transport? Yes, there are the high street shops and the railway station for trains, the railway station, only 5 minutes away. Very good. Very good. Now, turn to page 32. Page 32. Page 32. 32. Page 32 in the book. Okay, page 32. Page 32. A new flat, a new apartment. Do you remember Josie? Josie, she was, well, this is Josie. So Josie has a fantastic new flat. She is in her new flat. This is the flat. Now, can you remember, how do you say j'ai quelque chose? It's easy. I have something. J'ai quelque chose, I have. So j'ai un appartement, I have a flat. How do you say je n'ai pas quelque chose? Yeah, I don't have something. Je n'ai pas quelque chose, I don't have something. How do you say est-ce que vous avez quelque chose? Do you have something? Do you, for the question, verb, have quelque chose, something. Do you have something? Do you have a beautiful flat? For example. Now, what are the questions for Josie? So, elle a quelque chose? Yes, so she has, it's not a question, but she has something. Elle a un appartement. She has a flat. Or elle n'a pas quelque chose. Elle n'a pas quelque chose. She doesn't have. Elle n'a pas un appartement. She doesn't have a flat. Or est-ce qu'elle a un appartement? How do you say est-ce qu'elle a un appartement? So, does she have a flat? Est-ce qu'elle a quelque chose? Does she have something? Does she have something? Now look at exercise number 1 here. Can you make some sentences? Say some sentences for Josie. So qu'est-ce qu'elle a? Qu'est-ce qu'elle n'a pas? So, ou est-ce qu'elle a beaucoup de choses? So, for example, plates, you can say she has some plates. Okay? Or clothes, what can you say? Yeah, she has a lot, beaucoup. She has a lot of clothes. And glasses, to drink, glasses. She doesn't have any glasses. She doesn't have any glasses for champagne. No. Pictures. Yeah, she has some pictures. She has some pictures. CDs. Yeah, she has a lot of CDs. Mugs. Mugs to drink. Yeah, she doesn't have any. She doesn't have any mugs. She doesn't have any mugs. And shoes? Does she have shoes? Yes, she has a lot of shoes. She has lots of shoes. Towels? Does she have any towels? She doesn't have any towels. Okay, very good. Now, look at the grammar spot here. The grammar part, the grammar spot. So, what are the differences here? So, what are the differences for the sentences, entre les phrases, between the sentences? So, she has 5 plates. She has some plates. She has a lot of plates. Do you see the difference? So she has 5 plates. Elle a 5 assiettes. She has some plates. Yeah. Elle a des assiettes. Voilà. Quelques assiettes. So some replaces the number, the quantity of plates. She has 5 plates. She has some plates, a quantity of plates. Or she has a lot of plates, elle a beaucoup des assiettes. Okay. Now look at number 2. Number 2. So when do we use some? And when do we use any? So remember, she doesn't have any towels. Okay. But she has some plates. So there are some cups. There's a quantity of cups. Quelques tasses. But there aren't any glasses. There aren't any towels. So any is negative. Okay. Some is positive. So there are some chairs. Il y a des chaises. But no, zero. No, there aren't any chairs. Et chairs, on va utiliser le pluriel pour chaises. So there aren't any chairs avec an S. There isn't a chair. No, there aren't any chairs. So there are some chairs, and there aren't any chairs. Le troisième ligne. So does she have any clothes? Donc on peut voir any, c'est aussi pour la forme interrogative aussi. So there are some cups, any. There aren't any glasses. Or question, does she have any clothes? Okay, so this is the grammar. So some positive, any negative, and any interrogative.